Hashtag day 4 of me feeding my baby solid food. So today I'm doing pumpkins, malenge, yani marege. I'm telling you, these pumpkins, they are not easy to cut. Have sweat. Yes, but all in all, I managed. The skin is really hard. So first I'm going to cut the pumpkins, then I will remove the skin as you see on the video, and then I'm just going to cut it into small cubes, and then I wash it after this. Then I'm going to put it in casserole with water, then I'll put it to boil. After that, I'm going to prepare my spinach. I'm going to cut at least 2 leaves of spinach, and then I'm going to wait for my pumpkins to boil, and then I will add the spinach. Yes, and then I'll add a pinch of cinnamon. Actually, I measured with spoon, but you should add a pinch. And my pumpkins is ready. Actually, when you add spinach and the cinnamon, you take it back to boil for at least 5 to 10 minutes. My pumpkins is ready, and I can see the spinach overpowered the color of pumpkins, but yeah, it was delicious. Yeah, they always say you have to make for your kid what also you can eat. Yeah, you have to taste every meal you make for your kid.